Hi and welcome to Vista NEET Academy, Salem and Erode. Let us check out one more question related to logic gates, which is most important for both JEE and NEET. And you can see frequently the questions are asked in JEE and NEET related to these logic gates. We can solve this type of questions less than 1 minute and we can save our time related to our JEE and NEET. Let us check out the question. What is the output Y in the following circuit when all the three input ABC are first 0 and then 1? There they have given two conditions, and based on two conditions, first all the three inputs should be equal to 0 and then we need to check out the output. If all the three inputs are equal to 1, then we need to check out the output. So let us see. The circuit is given with one AND gate with two inputs A and B. Let us keep all the three inputs is equal to 0. First solve this AND network. 0 and 0. If two inputs are equal to 0, for AND gate the output will be equal to 0. And next, the third output is coming as 0, then the answer will be 0, 0 na, then for NAND gate the output will be equal to 1. If both are equal to 0, then the answer will be equal to 1 for the NAND gate. So let us check out the options elimination process. It is easy to eliminate all the options so that it will be easy. In the input first output it should be 1. Option A is wrong. Option B is also having 0, so it is wrong. So we may get the answer in C and D. Let us check out for the next input, that is all the inputs are equal to 1. If it is 1 and here also it is 1 and here also it is 1, let us check out. 1 and 1, if AND gate the input is equal to 1 and 1, then the output will be equal to 1. And here if it is 1, then here also it will be 1. If the two inputs are 1 for NAND gate, then the output will be equal to 0. Because for AND gate both 1 is equal to 1, 1 is equal to input, then the answer will be equal to 1. So this is not gate for AND gate, so 1 and 1 input will be equal to 0. So our answer is option C. First output will be equal to 1 and second output will be equal to 0. So we can solve this type of questions within less than 1 minute. Stay tuned with our channel. Thank you so much.